Here's your crisp daily roundup of AI news and trends. GLCND.io proprietary. Let's fly. OpenAI and Amazon Web Services announced a multi-year infrastructure partnership to run advanced AI workloads on AWS, an alignment that could shift compute routes for major deployments. And rumor mill. A fresh report says OpenAI is exploring ways to sell compute capacity directly, basically dabbling in AI cloud services. Early, but notable. On the policy side, OpenAI posted new pieces on prompt injection risks, a teen safety blueprint, and milestone bragging rights. 1 million business customers. Microsoft says it's bringing the best of AI search to Copilot, tightening how results surface inside the assistant. Expect faster answers and cleaner retrieval inside Microsoft's ecosystem. Also rolling. In-country data processing for Microsoft 365 Copilot in India, Australia, the UK, and Japan, important for data residency and compliance conversations. Google's Gemini API file search hit public preview, letting devs ground model responses in their own files and datasets. Think better citations and less hallucination for enterprise use cases. XAI chatter spiked after posts about Grok 4 fast speed and reasoning boosts. Social claims are flying, so treat numbers cautiously. Meanwhile, Grok content is surfacing in the wild. TechCrunch flagged a high-profile creative demo spreading on X. Anthropic's Claude 4.5 remains the big fall drop with coding and tool use gains, relevant if you're building agent-like apps. They also published deprecation and preservation commitments, a wonky but vital move for businesses that fear models changing mid-contract. Meta's Llama 4, released earlier this year, still frames today's open weight momentum in multimodal space. If you're betting on open infra, keep eyes here. At glcnd.io, we just shipped the next RAD2 episodes. After 2 p.m. cash flow pipeline. Offer stacking in 30 minutes. One decision day, short, tactical, and built for creators, founders, and students to apply today. Hit the description for templates and links. Question of the day: which move hits your stack first? Grounded file search, Copilot search upgrades, or Anthropic's stability policy? Drop a comment, save this for tomorrow's brief, and subscribe for daily signal without the noise. This is a GLCND.io proprietary brief.